Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your mouse pointer speed on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the magnify icon down in your taskbar and search for Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel listed right above App, so go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons and then go ahead and select mouse. So at this point you can go ahead and adjust the double click speed right on this first tab here, the buttons tab. You can make it faster or slower. If you select the pointers tab here, again you can go ahead, you can adjust the speed. If you select the pointer options, you can adjust how quickly the mouse cursor moves on the screen, whether you want it faster or slower. So again, that's something as well. And then you can select the wheel tab, which will change how quickly, when you do one notch in the scroll of a wheel, how many lines move at a time. So the more the number, the faster it'll move. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.